Confidence often becomes quieter as it matures. It's a subtle shift, a gradual turning inward. The youthful need for external validation, for applause and agreement, begins to fade. It's replaced by something more grounded, more substantial, a deep, internal sense of self-worth that doesn't require an audience. This isn't a loss of fire, but a transformation of its energy, from a roaring blaze that demands attention to a steady, warm ember that provides consistent light from within. A truly confident person often explains less because their inner certainty has grown. They no longer feel the need to justify their choices, defend their boundaries, or win every debate. Their actions, rooted in conviction, speak with more clarity than words ever could. They understand that their presence holds more weight than their volume. This quiet assurance allows them to navigate the world with a gentle strength, unswayed by the noise of external opinions. This quietness is a reflection of deep confidence. It manifests in the ability to listen, truly listen, not just to formulate a reply, but to understand. It's found in the comfort of silence, recognizing it not as an awkward void, but as a space for thought and connection. When they do speak, their words are measured and intentional, carrying purpose rather than just filling space. They are secure enough to say, "I don't know," and open enough to change their mind. This isn't about being passive or withdrawn. It's about being fully present. It's a state of being so rooted in your own truth that you can engage with the world authentically, without the armor of arrogance or the shield of defensiveness. It's a quiet power that creates space for others, fostering genuine connection and mutual respect. So today, embrace this stillness. Notice the moments where you can choose presence over performance, listening over speaking, and inner certainty over outward justification. Let your quiet confidence be your guide, a silent anchor in a loud world.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.